If your iPhone is running out of storage, clearing app cache and data can free up a lot of space. And here's how to do it. First, open your settings. Scroll down and tap on General, then go to iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a full list of all your apps and how much storage each one is using. Now, iPhone doesn't have a single button to clear cache for all apps at once, but you can still do it manually. Tap on any app that's taking up a lot of space. You'll see two options here: Offload app and Delete app. If you tap Offload app, it removes the app itself, but keeps your data. Then you can reinstall it, and this helps clear temporary cache files. If you want to completely clear everything, including all data and cache, tap Delete app instead. Then, go to the App Store and reinstall the app again. This is the best way to fully reset an app and free up maximum storage. You can repeat this process for other apps that are using a lot of space. Also, a quick tip: apps like social media and browsers usually build up the most cache, so start with those first. And that's it.